Hello MEYLE friends! Today I'm pleased to present another highlight from our truck team. In this case, our MEYLE Original Kit for slot bushings, which are mounted in the leaf spring. You all know the problem when the bushing of the leaf springs has to be replaced. The biggest issue is that the outer diameter of the slot bushing is bigger than the inner diameter of the eyelets of the leaf spring. If you have to change the bushings, you must invest in a special tool, because you have to pre-compress the bushings. You will likely become frustrated during the assembly when you try to mount the bushings otherwise. Both solutions cost a lot of money, time and effort as soon as you try to assemble the bushings without the special tool. In addition, there is the risk that the new bushings will be damaged or destroyed during the assembly. Now it's time for us. With our MEYLE solution, we developed a pre-compressed bushing. We achieved the pre-compressed bushing with an additional sleeve. In addition, we have developed special tools for an easy and safe installation. Thereby, with this repair solution, we are unique in the independent aftermarket. With our solution, we can offer a cost-saving, easy and safe replacement of the slot bushings. There is no need to invest in a special tool, which you need to pre-compress the bushings. And the included tools also prevents that the bushing becomes warped. But how does it work? The ring-shaped tool ensures a good contact on the eyelets of the leaf spring and remove the further sleeve of the pre-compressed bushing during the mounting. The other tool is designed for an optimal mounting process of the slot bushing and enables a professional assembly. Let's summarize. With the MEYLE Kit, you save time and material, it's an easy and safe installation, and you save money. Have a good trip and see you next time.